Let's see some of the latest improvements and features within the Lineage view. You can use the search box to find artifacts by their name. You can still see the artifacts with their connections within the workspace. In this case, you can see the data source connected to the data flows, data sets, reports, and dashboards. You can also search for a data source by data source type and also the data source connection string. Once you found the data source, you can use the data source impact analysis to see how this data source is being used cross-tenant. In this example, you can see how this database is being used with 6 different workspaces with 3 data flows and 6 datasets. You can also drill down to see the details in each workspace what artifacts are connected. Let's say that there is a problem with the data source. You can use the notify contact to let everyone know about the problem.